Here's a quick review of mean absolute deviation. When we're finding mean absolute deviation, we're looking how far each of our data points is from the mean, how far it is from the center. If I have some data points on a dot plot, we're going to find the average distance from the mean. For instance, this data point right here is 1 away from the mean. So is this one. This data point, however, is 2 away from the mean. This data point is also 1 away from the mean. Even though it's below, it is still 1 away. And this data point way down here is 4 away from the mean. The smaller the number, the closer the point is to the mean, which makes sense. That's our first step, to find how far each point is from the mean. Our second step is to find the average of those distances. To find an average, we know to add all of the points and divide by the number of points. So we are going to add our distances. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4, which gives us a distance of 9. We now divide by the number of points there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which gives us an answer of 1.8. This is my mean absolute deviation, 1.8. But what does that mean? Well, it means that the average distance from the mean is 1.8. I know that most of my points are going to fall 1.8 away from the mean. The bigger the mean absolute deviation, the farther away the points are from the mean. If this is my mean and I have a deviation of 20, then it's telling me a lot of my points are really far from my mean. Not all of them, but I have a lot of points that are pretty far from my mean. The smaller the mean absolute deviation, the closer the points are to the mean. If this is my mean and my mean absolute deviation is 1, then most of my points are within 1 of my mean. Not all of them. I might have some above and some below, but most of those points, the average distance is only 1 away from the mean.